क्लास 10th में मैथ हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस और सम एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एप्लीकेशंस को कैसे यूज करते हैं उसके लिए हम हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस चैप्टर में इसका यूज करेंगे। और ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 क्लास 10, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, क्वेश्चन नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at a some distance from 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation his eyes from to the top of the building increase from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walk towards the building. Find the angle, find the distance he walk towards the building. सबसे पहले हम इसका फिगर ड्रा करेंगे। हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस के क्वेश्चन में फिगर इज मस्ट एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जब तक हम फिगर को राइट नहीं ड्रा करेंगे, क्वेश्चन को हम जितना भी सॉल्व कर लें आंसर कभी भी करेक्ट नहीं आए। इसलिए फिगर को सबसे पहले हम करेक्ट ड्रा करेंगे। फिगर ड्रा करने से पहले हम एक एक सेंटेंस को केयरफुली से रीड करेंगे। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इसका बोल रहा है स्टेटमेंट ए 1.5 मीटर टॉल बॉय। सबसे पहले हम 1.5 मीटर टॉल बॉय यहाँ रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। 1.5 meter tall boy, 1.5 meter. Let us suppose 1.5 meter tall boy standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. 30 meter tall building. Some distance. It is the some distance. 1.5 meter tall boy at some distance. Some distance from 30 meter tall. 30 meter tall building. 30 meter tall building. At the angle of elevation his eyes of the boy, this is point A, point A, point B, point C, this is the point D. His eyes from to the top of the building, top of the building, top of the building, top of the building, and increase the angle of 60 degree of join 30 degree to 60 degree as he walk towards the building. Towards the building, this is point E. And angle of elevation, angle of elevation, angle of elevation 30 degree to 60 degree. You see the 30 degree and 60 degree. 30 degree to 60 degree. The eyes from to the top of the building, and increase from 30 degree to 60 degree. He walked point B to E and point B to F, B to E or F. This is point B to E. This is at point F. As he walked towards the building, B to E. Find the distance from he walked towards the building. Find the distance. Let's distance B is equal to x meter and EC is equal to y meter. So DF is equal to x meter and EFG and FG is equal to y meter. Y meter. 1.5 dB is equal to 1.5. So FG is equal to 1. FC is equal to GC is equal to 1.5. AC is equal to solution. And opening solution AC is a building. AC is a building and angle of elevation towards point. AC is a building. Find the distance and let's and towards the building and my AC is a building. Let's distance he walked. Let's distance he walked. Point D to F or B to E. Point B to E is equal to X meter. And F's EC is equal to Y meter. So AG is equal to total distance AC minus GC. AC is equal to 30 meter and GC is equal to 1.5 meter. 1.5 is equal to 28.5 meter. 28.5 meter. AG is equal to 28.5 meter. AG is equal to 28.5 meter. सॉल्व करेंगे इन ट्रायंगल. लार्जेस्ट ट्रायंगल ADG and smallest triangle AFG. So smallest triangle AFG in triangle AFG tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular side is AZ divided by BC. Base is equal to FG is equal to AG is equal to 28.5 divided by AFG is equal to Y meter. Tan 60 degree equal to √3 is equal to 28.5 by Y. Cross multiply के Y is equal to 28.5 by √3. Y is equal to rationalization करेंगे 28.5 into √3 divided by complete 3. √3 into √3 complete 3 and √3 multiply 3 से divisible. Y is equal to 3 7 3 9 या 27, 3 9 या 27 and 3 5 is 15. 9.5 into √3, 9.5 √3 meter. Y is equal to 9.5 √3 meter. In equation number first, in a triangle ADG tan 30 degree tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular side is 28 AG. Base is equal to x plus y df plus yf, dg or f dg, and dg is equal to dg is equal to df plus fg is equal to 28.5 upon df is equal to d dg is equal to df plus fg is equal to 28.5 by df is equal to x plus y. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x plus y. Now putting the value of y in equation number 1. Calculate x plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3 in equation number 2. Next solve करेंगे हम. Now putting the value of y in equation number 1 in equation number 2. Equation number 2. X plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3. X is equal to x plus y is equal to 9.5 root 3. 9.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3. 28.5 root 3. X is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. So x is equal to 9.5 root 3 common. 9.5 root 3 divided by this 3 times 3 minus 1. So x is equal to 9.5 root 3 into 2. X is equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 119 root 3. X is equal to 19 root 3 meter. Therefore, the distance he walked towards the building, the distance he walked is equal to 19 root 3 meter. 19 root 3 meter. Answer.